Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Land Rover Discovery. So from any screen, the circle here with the arrow in it, click on there. Sometimes if it's the first time you click it, you'll get a black screen with click this and promise you're not going to get distracted. So you have to do that before you get to this screen. If you click it again, you've then got the next menu, where to, map view, favorites, information. So anyway, that map view, but as I say, if you click that, it brings up this menu, where to, that's what we want. We want address, recent, and so on. So we want address, enter postcode, that's the simplest. Again, a lot of people complain about this system in the Land Rovers and Range Rovers, but it's dead easy. It's a no-brainer. It's what should be in a car. If you have to start thinking about how to use things, it shouldn't be in a car. It's stupid. So here we go. We've got the keyboard. So we're Grosvenor Garage. We've changed our address. We've moved. So it's Blackburn Road, PR5. A lot of systems you would have to put a space in because it's only 2 digits, but the Land Rover system you don't. So PR5 4EA. That's it, PR5 4EA. Click on there just to confirm it's working the route out. That's it. Yes. And if I turn that up, sorry, if I turn that up, play voice guidance prompts, that's what we want.
Please turn right in 3/4 of a mile.
So if you're not getting any sound, if you're not getting any audio instructions, basically the 3 dots there, click on the 3 dots and you've got a little box there, play voice guidance prompt. And you've also got, which is a good thing, when you get near enough your home destination and you're fed up with listening to the voice, because it always comes on right in the middle of a bit of news or whatever you want to listen to, and you can stop guidance like so. Stop guidance, yes. That's it. Thanks for watching.